today we have some more news about Fire TV devices, and now instead of just blocking the apps that you install when they launch, Amazon is now blocking apps from being installed, period. So we're going to jump into the details. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so if you subscribe to the channel, you know that we've gone over a similar topic: Fire TV Stick cracking down on streaming applications, Fire TV Stick warnings, Fire TV Stick just clamping down on what you need to do to jailbreak or sideload applications on your device. So we all saw this coming down the road, but now Amazon is taking it to another level. Fire TV's now blocking piracy apps on installation instead of on launch. And what that means is that, guys, now you can't even install these apps on your devices before the system detects it. It just prevents it, detects the signature of the application, and basically shuts down the installation, which is kind of crazy for a device that you just purchased. So I'm going to read a little bit from AFTV News. Of course, I'll leave the full link to the article in the description. Title of this one is Fire TVs now block piracy apps on installation instead of on launch. This is one of the examples there. That's the pop-up you're going to see: app installation blocked. This app has been blocked because it uses or provides access to unlicensed content. To learn more, go to amazon.com/firetv/unlicensed content. Before we jump into it, here's some more information about this. So as far as just why am I seeing this warning? This is from Amazon, by the way. To protect both customers and content creators, Fire TV disables apps that are identified as using or providing access to unlicensed content. We encourage you to explore a wide range of content options through Amazon's App Store. How do you determine which apps to disable? We have a thorough process that identifies apps that use or provides access to unlicensed content. Again, not a lot of details there. If you're saying this isn't the piracy app, why is it disabled? Can I get a refund? We have gone through the review process that identify apps or provide access to unlicensed content, which is kind of crazy, and just a lot of Q&A that you can definitely review on your own time. But again, they try to answer some of these questions, but for the most part, these are going to be some of the political answers. Let's jump back over to the article. All right, so Amazon has been slowly evolving its app blocking process ever since it revealed that piracy apps would be blacklisted on Fire TV devices last year. Now, users first began seeing warning messages when launching apps that Amazon believed contain unlicensed content, but the apps were allowed to open. So big differentiator there, the apps were actually allowed to be installed and open. Shortly after, the app warning escalated to a full block, preventing flag apps from launching on Fire TV devices. According to YouTuber TechDoc UK, shout out to him, always doing good work over there, Amazon has since tightened restrictions even further, now blocking piracy apps from even being installed at all. So blocking installation rather than just blocking apps from running might feel like a minor distinction, but it eliminates a popular method Fire TV owners have been using to bypass this ban. So since Amazon appears to be blocking apps based on the app's package name, those who want to continue using the blacklisted app have been using app cloning tools to modify blacklisted apps and skirt detection. So basically going into changing some of the names, and Amazon then doesn't detect it, but Amazon seems to have found a workaround. All right, so it also says that Amazon previously removed an app cloning tool from the App Store, which made this process less convenient, but many continue using it. Now, by preventing banned apps from being installed at all, it is impossible to use app cloning tools directly on Fire TV device, as banned apps is never present. So this is crazy. And last part of the article says, while blocking app installation instead of launch creates a new obstacle, it ultimately does little to prevent determined users from using blocked applications. Now, cloning tools can be updated to modify APK files prior to installation if there aren't some that can already do that, and various websites exist where users can alter apps externally. Additionally, pre-modified versions of many blacklisted applications are already widely available to install, which haven't been blocked by Amazon. Just like any other time when Amazon or any other company does something to combat or fight back against what they seem as piracy, folks will always find a workaround for it, and then Amazon will catch up, and then folks will find another workaround. So it's basically just a game of cat and mouse. But from my perspective, why even go through that where there's so many other devices out there that's not doing that, that provides better results, similar results than the Fire TV stick at and around the same price. Again, we're talking about the on devices, we're talking about the Xiaomi devices, even the Google devices that does everything that a Fire Stick does without the headache of having to play cat and mouse with Amazon. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you own a Fire TV stick, are you going to continue to play this game of cat and mouse, or are you going to find a device that you don't have to go through all this trouble? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.